how to lower the temperature of your gaming laptop and the most effective ways to do it. So first we will need to right click on the taskbar and open the task manager and then go to startup section. And in here we will find all the apps that start up as soon as our system boots up, which we can disable if we don't need them. So most likely you won't need any of these apps launching up at the startup, except the specific ones for Windows security and potentially some audio drivers or stuff like that. So I have most of them disabled, so you should disable most of them. Only leave the ones that are very necessary, such as the mouse software and the audio software and the Windows Defender. Otherwise, disable everything else like you see in here. Next, we can close this and move on to adjust the power settings. So we want to click on the start menu and search for power and sleep settings. And then you want to click on additional power settings. And then you want to click on change plane settings. You should set it to balanced as well if you have it on any other plan mode. Now you want to click on change advanced power settings and it should bring up this window where you can select balanced. And you want to scroll down to processor power management, expand it, and then you want to expand the minimum processor state and make sure it's set to 5% for the minimum state. On battery and on cable or plugged in, it should be the same percentage. Now we want to expand the maximum processor state and we want to set it to 90% for both plugged in and on battery. And then you will simply click on apply and OK. Now that's about it from the software side. Now what you can do to the laptop is basically lift it so it's not sitting like on a table directly, so it can get more air and basically ventilation. So the cooling system works better. So I prefer using a laptop stand to basically put the laptop kind of inclined and not directly on the table. There are also some stands with ventilation, so you can have better cooling for your computer or your laptop, and that should drastically improve the temperature management and basically keep your computer cooled and performing better. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.